Hey everybody, welcome back to The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. We just arrived at Bird Town, so let's start the quest for Bird Town. Because if you look at it on the map, Bird Town is also... I'll get rid of this pen. Is also divine. Wait, but I finished that. What? I finished that like 4 months ago. What do you mean? Look, anyways, right here. So that's where I'm going. Oh, it's up there. Oh my god, look at how big that is. I think the birds are going insane. Hey, look, a shrine. Is it still above me? Yep, right above me. Oh, there's the shrine. Nope. No, what am I thinking? The champions have all been dead for 100 years. This boy is a mere descendant and an inheritor of the Shaker style. Ah, forgive me. Champion descendant. If you would listen to this old man's request, you would have my eternal gratitude. I'll listen. Thank you, truly. Now, if you have the blood of a champion, there is something I must ask of you. How shall I put this? I'd like you to deal with the divine beast of meadow, the giant beast circling above us. Only a chosen one, a champion, can stop a divine beast. You must enter the beast and bend it to your will. I tried explaining this to the more headstrong Rito warriors, but they wouldn't listen to reason. Teba and Hearth tried to confront Meadow, but it did not go well. Hearth was injured. Teba escaped unscathed, but I fear he now plans to face Meadow alone. As a descendant of the champions, perhaps you can help us. Please find Teba. If you work together, you may be able to stop Divine Beast Meadow. Well, okay, but first, apparently I haven't finished Divine Beast Varuta. Apparently I have to go finish that. Be back in a sec. Hoppity hoppity. Hoppity hoppity. Hoppity hoppity. Hoppity hoppity. Oh my god, is that tall Mifa? I have to do this now, apparently. Because I hadn't already did. Link, you did well to survive your trial. I've been awaiting your return. The violent downpour has disappeared, as has the threat to Zora's domain. Little more than a bad dream now. Thanks to your efforts. Okay. Yeah. My sincerest apologies for my big yawn. That was because it's like 6 in the morning. Because I didn't have enough time to record this yesterday, so I'm recording it in the morning. What's hard? In the Mifa memory, like, Mifa's, like, you can tell that they're in love, but, like, Mifa's, like, hundreds of years old, and I'm just, like, 25. Like, in the memory. Because, do you know how long the Zora live? Okay, I just finished Divine Beast of Aruta. What do I get? Ooh, late skill trident. Okay, who's the weakest of the most? What's it? Stronger weapon. What's my strongest weapon? A great flame blade. Nope. That's what I'm getting. Shoot. Sorry, that was my bad. If you want to see more of me playing Breath of the Wild, maybe once I beat it, the Champion's Ballad, and maybe once I beat that, maybe once I beat that, maybe we'll do either we'll do Age of Calamity, or we'll do Tears of the Kingdom. Because I have both games. Okay. Ah, person. Well, my husband went to a place called the Flight Range. It's in Dranox Pass, at the base of the Hebra Mountain as well. I imagine he's gone there to gather weapons for another run at Meadow. As it happens in the light of the... Okay. Ravioli. That's a thing.
Impressive, I know. Very few can achieve a mastery of the sky. Yet I have made an art of creating an updraft that allows me to soar. It's considered to be quite the masterpiece of aerial techniques, even among the Rito. With proper utilization of my superior skills, I see no reason why we couldn't easily dispense with Ganon. Now then, my ability to explore the firmament is certainly of note. But pardon me for being so blunt, let's not forget the fact that I am the most skilled archer of all the Rito. Yet despite these truths, it seems that I've been tapped to merely assist you. All because you happen to have that little darkness-sealing sword on your back. I mean, it's just asinine. Unless you think you can prove me wrong, maybe we should just settle this one-on-one. But where? Oh, I know. How about up there? Oh, you must pardon me. I forgot you have no way of making it up to that divine beast on your own.
That'll be like
Good luck sealing the darkness!
It's like the last time we ever see him again because he died. Okay. Let's go get that shrine. What the heck is up with this shadow right here? Where is it even coming from? Oh my god, that's really far away. Well, that would explain why. So, you see, let's take a picture of this lizard dude. Okay, that's enough taking pictures of a random rhinoceros. He's chasing me. Then he vanished out of existence. That's normal. You know how on safaris sometimes you see rhinos, then they just kind of vanish out of existence? Normal safari stuff. Shalgarvo. Not gonna do this for the sake of your time, but I will go over here to the flat range. Oh.
Yeah?
Just yeah.
I don't know you. And I'm actually pretty busy here. You should probably go.
Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we all? Bow. I'm gonna go make some food or something. Nope. Simmered food. The meadow. Let me get this straight. Some random alien wants me to wants to help me bring down divine beast from meadow. I'm not buying. What's your name, stranger? I'm Link. Link, huh? Well, Link. I'm Tella. But you already knew that. I'm guessing the Elder asked you to come here and talk some sense into me. Am I right? No. Just like the Elder to trust any fool wandering into town. Look, you seem like an alright guy. Let's make one thing clear. I'm not going out. As a Rito warrior, I can rest until my people are safe. That's the only way I'm going back to Rito Village. Once Divine Beast Meadow falls from the sky. If I have to kill Meadow, so be it. Only then will I return to the village. Well, let's get started. Are you serious? Well, far be it for me to talk to you. Said Meadow is to get inside it. No way you can set Meadow. Not only are you wingless, but you're brainless too. Let me fill you in on the only people who entered the divine beasts are the 5 champions of old. Unfortunately, the rest of us aren't in Hyrule. They all died 100 years ago. Except me. I don't think I'm dead. If it hadn't been for Ganon. Never mind. Let's focus on bringing down Meadow, one step at a time. If we can approach Meadow recklessly, the cannons will blast us out of the sky before we can get close. So I'm going to need to test you. We Rito warriors use the updraft in this to hammer. Okay, I'm ready. Need to hit 5 targets. Really fast. Out of bounds?
That's it. One more.
Oh, there.
Perfect.
Nice. A skilled archer. So much time stepped with every arrow you let fly. What's in here? Falcon bow. Again, my inventory is full. Bow, 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 you are the worst bow. No, you're... we'll get rid of it. Nice. Okay, let's go. I hope it's not too cold, because if it's too cold, then I'm dead. Pretty much. There's Divine Beast from it. Here he does that. Shoot the cannons. Let's go.
Go for it. Out of the way.
Yep.
That's it.
Yep. I don't think they're Typha.
Out of the way. That's the way.
I will not let you get hit, man.
One more.
One last dude. Wait, how many bomb arrows do I have? 13. Nice. Last bomb arrow. Well, two bomb. Or last two bomb arrows. Okay.
We did it.
Whoa, that looks
Well done, Link. That thing is history.
okay. So let's get on the big bird. Okay. I thought I made it so you didn't get hit, man. Like, I'm pretty sure that you didn't get hit.
Bad news, Link. It looks like I got hit pretty good back there. I think I need to get back to the flight range. I just hope that I can make it back.
Okay.
You head down to Meadow. Good luck. It's all you.
And we have gotten onto the big bird. It's a massive bird, actually. I wouldn't just call it big, it's massive. So we're gonna do this. Big dude. And then we're gonna do another big dude. Hey, I didn't even get to do it now. Navigate register to map.
Well now, I've seen that face before.
Oh my god, it's ravioli.
I had a feeling you would show up eventually, but making me wait 100 years is a bit indulgent. You're here to wrest control of Meadow away from Ganon, correct? If so, then the first thing you'll want...
Okay, we need to get a map. We knew that. We all know that we need to get a map at the very start. Oh my god, it looks like the...
That guidance stone has the information for the layout of this divine beast. Can you make it there?
It looks like the guidance stone is like its tonsil. And then we're inside its mouth, but its eyes are actually inside of its mouth, which is a bit creepy. Oh my god, we're like floating in the air. Okay, that looks sick. Like the blue with all the orange surrounding it. That looks pretty sick. You're kidding me. Nope. I need to get it from like the side, I guess. Okay. Well, we've done quite a bit so far. So this might be the end of the video. Or I will be able to get a map. Not again. Okay. Let's see. This will be like my last try of getting them that. Just got 2 screws. Okay. We'll get the map. And then, while we're getting the map, this will be the end of the video. If you liked it, like the video. Then, maybe if you want to, you can subscribe. Anyways, let's just grab this map. And
You'll need to look closely at your map of the divine beast.
okay.
The terminals that will activate Meadow, you'll need to activate... Think you're up to...
Okay. Anyways, need to activate the terminal. This will be the end of the video. So, goodbye.